Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever opened up Google Sheets and found everything looking a bit too dark for your taste, today I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off dark mode in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your classic bright workspace back, making it easier to read your data and focus on your projects, especially if you're not a fan of those darker shades. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open up the Chrome Web Store in your browser. If you've never done this before, you can get there just by Googling Chrome Web Store, or you can type Chrome google.com/webstore directly into your address bar. Give it a moment to load up and you'll see a search bar at the top left of the page. Now in that search bar, type in Google Sheets Dark Mode. What you're looking for here is any extension you might have added in the past that's enabled dark mode in your Google Sheets. Sometimes when we're working late at night or want to reduce eye strain, it can be tempting to add a dark mode extension, but if you're here now, it sounds like those dark colors are getting in the way rather than helping. Next, check if you actually have a Google Sheets dark mode extension already installed. If you see a button labeled Add to Chrome, that's a sign you don't have it yet, so dark mode likely isn't being caused by one of these extensions and your issue might be coming from somewhere else like a different theme or system setting. But if the button says Remove from Chrome or Added, that means the extension is currently installed in your browser. If you do have it installed, you'll see a little extension icon at the top right corner of your Chrome window. It usually looks like a puzzle piece, but if the extension is pinned, the icon might even be specific to dark mode, something like a moon or shaded sheet. Click on that icon to open up the extension. Most dark mode extensions allow you to quickly turn the effect on or off. There should be a toggle switch or a button labeled something like Disable or Turn Off. Go ahead and click that. You might notice your Google Sheets tab update in real time. The colors will shift back to the standard white and light gray background you're used to, which can instantly make things feel a lot more familiar. You might be wondering, what if I don't see a dark mode extension at all? Well, in that case, dark mode could still be enabled through your browser or even your overall system settings. For most people though, especially if you've experimented with dark mode in just Google Sheets, the steps we just covered will solve the problem. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can switch Google Sheets out of dark mode and back to its original, easy-to-read appearance. Don't worry if this takes a moment or two the first time. After you've done it once, you'll know exactly what to do anytime you want to switch things up. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Got any questions or want me to cover another Google Sheets tip? Just drop your comments below and I'll be happy to help. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another tech tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.